Hey guys, so today I'm here with a new and interesting video. This video is completely about a grocery and snack shopping haul. I'm not taking much of your time and will show you all the item whatever I have purchased. See, I have this is a huge snacks shopping haul, like snacks and breakfast item shopping haul, because due to this COVID we are not preferring to go out regularly, because our self safety definitely matters a lot, and baby is there at home, so we are not taking any risk. Only emergency, like whatever the daily stuffs like milk or some non-veg item, we cannot store that for a long, so for that we are going. Otherwise or other items and all, I have purchased it more items so that I can store it for at least for 2 months, so no need to go. And one more thing, like yes, let me not take your much time, will show you whatever the stuff I have got. So for breakfast we normally prefer oats, mostly upma, this kind of thing. So I normally purchase this from Amazon, but this time I found it in DMart. There was, like, I think there was some off also. Actual price is 325 rupees, but we have got it for I think 180 or something like that, I don't remember. This is a 400 gram. This is yoga bar muesli, dark chocolate and cranberry. There are two flavor, one is dark chocolate and cranberry and one more is fruit, nuts and seeds. In this you have quinoa, oats, brown rice, whole grains, all the things are available. I think they also have breakfast bar, like that kind of chocolate. I'll tell you, like that is like you have seen the chicky kind, okay? So that, like, you can have one and that is very satisfaction and fulfilling. So you can go easy for your breakfast, like no cooking breakfast. Normally I am preferring no cooking breakfast, because no, it will be easier for me to take care of baby and give time for him, and also give some time for my videos. So this we have got two. And this is soulful ragi bites. This is like one of our favorite, like whenever we feel like munching, so we can take some 4 to 5, and this is very good. We have got vanilla and strawberry. There are two flavors, so we have got around 3 to 4 boxes of this. This is around 169 rupees for 250 gram. We have not got from DMart. This we have purchased it from Reliance Fresh. This is good. And then Nutri Choice Family Pack Digestive Biscuits. This is made of oats. So yeah, than the normal biscuits, I prefer to give this to my babies. Normally I buy the Sunfest, I think Farmalite 5-grain biscuit. So this time, that is already I'm giving for, it is almost 3-4 months. So this time I thought of giving, try this. So Nutri Choice normally we eat, but this time I have purchased this for my baby. And this is the normal, always we buy the crunchy muesli. So this is the muesli. And this is Unibic fruit and nut cookies. So this I have purchased two. The actual price is 175, but there was an offer of 155 rupees. I think again there was some off. See, I'm not mentioning the price because there are a lot of different price from different stores, so I'm not mentioning the price. So we have got two. And US mustard sauce, I normally prefer this brand, okay, American Garden US mustard sauce. This is of 120 rupees of 227 gram. But this time I found this Dr. Oetker Fun Food brand English mustard, that was little cheaper, like 69 rupees for 300 gram. So not 300 gram, yes, 300 grams. So thought of giving this try for this. So let's see. Normally I use for sandwich spread, salad dressing. Sometimes I marinate the chicken and do stir fry with this. That is really awesome. Sometime we'll share you the recipe also. And desi ghee. This is a 500 ml. And olive oil. My olive oil was over. Normally I am using this olive oil. I buy 500 or 1 liter, but I first time purchased this small one because the bigger one was not available. So I got this chicky to snack. And we do dahi bundi like curd, and we put the bundi in the curd. That is one dish I think some of you already know about this. So I purchased this kara bundi and bhujia sev. This is really awesome. Like, you know, when we I do chana masala, I add as a toppings like little onion and this bhujia sev. Believe me guys, that gives a good flavor to the dish. And also it looks interesting. Sometimes I do chickpea salad or black chana salad. In that also I add little, so that like, you know, it's good. And this is one madras mixture. Okay, I found like no, the ingredients was good and it was looking good, so thought of giving try. Got only one packet. Soya stick. Last time we got this, our baby is loving it. Actually he is able to take one stick and able to eat, so we got like, you know, 2 packets of this soya stick. Top ramen, yes, this is very big. And guys, let me know who is a big fan like me of top ramen. I am not a Maggi person. I like top ramen and EP. So please let me know who is like me and like this top ramen. So got 2 bigger pack, family pack. So as I mentioned, it is for almost 2-3 months will go all this item. And this time I found some new brand. Why? I think you sometimes you people, maybe you people, some of may know about this. This is some chicken noodles. There is a 6 pack and buy one get one was there. So I got this too. 2 chicky actually I got. And this is the jaggery powder. Lot of people in my whenever I share baby's food recipe, lot of people are like, you know, have a clarification why you are not using sugar and you are using jaggery powder. Here I am giving you a clarification. See, sugar is chemically processed, but jaggery or jaggery powder, they claim, I don't know, I am not sure about that, but you know, they claim to be chemical free processed. They are not chemically processed, so I normally prefer, until I have not introduced sugar to my like, you know, any of my baby food. So I am giving him only jaggery powder, honey, date syrups, this kind of thing. So you people can also give a try. This is a 1 kg, only 80 rupees. That is, this is not costly also. I was finding lobia beans, but found this. I am thinking this is lobia beans. I don't know. Please let me know, guys. This is mentioned Charlie Premium. Okay, I got it from DMart. So you people, please let me know this is lobia beans or not. Okay. And this is the first time I have got this Parle Monaco. Yes, Parle Monaco Sizzling Classic. There is a small bite. I think you people would have know about this. So I got this for my baby because, you know, I am trying. Now he is denying to have biscuit. Because, you know, already it is done for him with sweet, so he wanted to eat some salt and spice. So for that I thought to give try, and I have got 2 packet of this. And also about this biscuit I got 2. Brown rice, I used to buy brown rice from Big Basket. So this is the first time I am trying Daawat Basmati brown rice, because that normal brown rice cooking timing is very like, you know, it is too time taking. So thought of giving try this Daawat Basmati rice. This is 165 rupees for 1 kg. Hope it is good. Let me try. And my husband's favorite tamarind and date chutney. Normally he used to ask me to make at home, but you know, I am always lazy to make, and I am thinking, will it be, you know, able to store and freeze for a long time or not. So this Mother's brand, this pouch is good, and it always have an offer of buy one and get one. I got one of these, and one more chutney is there. Yes, this red chili garlic chutney. This is also very good. We can have with aloo paratha, chapati. Sometime also I add this with pasta. This goes very well. Like, you make some tomato puree and add this. This will definitely taste like a pizza sauce. And hide and seek. I have got the blue packet, the normal hide and seek. Okay, this claims to be extra choco chip with chocolate chips and coffee. Okay, the coffee mocha. That other one is only with chocolate chips. I got of that too. Already opened that packet. This we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is there, but it will fall, I believe. Let me see. Yes, I got 6 of this, so we will store it. And Nandini Good Life milk. Yes, of course, I am not giving this milk for my babies. I am not also using in his recipes. Normally I give him Amul packet milk, or else normally I purchase from the Nandini parlor the everyday milk. Okay, but this we store it and keep it with us, at least 1 or 2 packet always, so it is always ready to go for your tea, coffee or breakfast. That is good. It is only for me and my husband. Then this is something light chivda from Haldiram's. This is good taste, so I got 1 packet of this. And last but not the least, let me know guys, who are the big fan of Milky Bar. I am a very big fan of Milky Bar. Not able to control, though I was about to make this shopping haul. I have not yet opened any 1 packet of this. Okay, I got the complete box. So it is not a the previous like Milky Bar. This has some cocoa crispies. I think that small chocolate bite will come in between. So whatever, but I got Milky Bar, that is good enough. So this is, I think, almost all done. Yes, this is the 1 snack, fried chana, natural fried chana. This is sometimes with tea we can have. Yes, and it is good cat. Okay guys, so this is all about the shopping haul. I'm done. There are some other stops like grocery items like rice, dal, then dosa rice, idli, rava, normal rava. So those things are it's like kind of packet, so not showing you here. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please guys take some moment and subscribe my channel. Definitely a good gift for me. Okay, and one more thing I would like to mention here, thanks a lot for your love and support. Our Mom and Star family going to be 3K. Love you lot. Okay, so we'll meet soon with a new interesting video. I'm trying a lot of diet challenge. Okay, so we'll share you those video. Now you people will be judging me with all this stuff. She is going to try diet, or she is going to put on weight. Yes, obviously I keep all the chocolates, biscuit, whatever the things I don't eat always. So I maintain the calories and also count my calories, what I am eating, how much I should weigh, eat. Okay guys, so done. This was a huge shopping haul. Now I am feeling tired. I should eat water now. See you soon. Bye bye. I forgot to show you this Maska Chaska. This is my favorite. Maska Chaska. I forgot, so I am showing you. I think done. Done. Finally done. Bye.